majestic that I could sit on this counter? Heck yeah! And I know it would be really embarrassing if I fell. Can I just say?
Wouldn't be surprised if you
Of course you can, Biscuit. I have been working on my face masks as a little self-care line that I really want to release and have available to you because I want American-made, simple ingredient sheet masks. Everything I find has all these bizarre ingredients. And I don't expect them to be a facelift in a sheet mask, but you know, soft, smooth skin, help with all of that. And I have been so hindered because, my gosh, sourcing things that are quality is not easy to do. So we're gonna see how that all goes. I am hoping though this summer to have that available. You can just buy it off my Instagram. If you are interested in buying a sheet mask from me, I will send you one of my beta packs. Just like DM me on Instagram and I'll send you like a PayPal link or something. And you can grab the first testers of those, which are not polished in their marketing, you know, in their packaging, but are handmade with love. With products, some products that I actually grow right on the farm, like some of our flowers and our essences. Well, fancy seeing you here, Biscuits. Could we be on a family adventure of making beeswax candles? I'm gonna bring on because let's be honest, Biscuits, self-care is doing fun stuff with your family. Would we? No. Okay, Biscuits, I'm gonna check and see if that is done. And then if it's ready, we can start making stuff. Okay, who is ready? We're gonna put it on. It's a little scary to do. We're gonna open this up. Abraham, do you wanna pour the wax in? You have to make sure it goes right in the container. Should we do it?
How about you do the whole step?
Okay. So in theory, this beeswax melts. Oh yeah. And then we set these up. So it suggests, the kit says we should probably do this now while it's melting. So we take one of these in here. And this is something I love that you could really make with these. You could go to the store and buy a bunch of these and then drill through with your hand drill. So this keeps the wick up. The wick is actually way longer than you need for this, so I may repurpose it. And then this is what it looks like. It's holding it in place so that as you pour, the wick's not going to dip in, and then we can trim it to size, which I think will be really nice.
Mom, can we put a wax in it?
Oh yeah. Do you want to do it?
Yes.
You do it.
I just want to move a tiny bit.
Oh, sorry. Ooh, okay, it's melting. I don't think we need to take it to temperature yet because I don't think it's done.
I'm gonna put liquid.
Okay, it's melting. This is good. We're gonna have handmade candles. Ooh, let me see. You saw how melted that got. Let's see. I don't actually know how you're supposed to do this. I'm gonna be totally honest.
Only push you put on it?
Yeah. 148, 157. Oh, I think it's ready. I think it's actually a little too hot. Wow, that happened fast. It went from not being hot enough. Okay, give me the essential oils, guys. Because we're learning.
Lavender.
Abraham voted lavender.
Lavender.
Okay. This doesn't not a very full lavender.
Why
But
don't you do all of it?
no, I'm just doing a hefty amount. Because these were almost empty, actually. Okay, and then we're supposed to stir to emulsify the thing. Is that the right term?
I smell it.
Ooh, you really smell it. Okay. This handle actually is really nice. Like the container is boiling hot. It would burn off skin. Okay. Should we do it? I'm gonna do one candle at a time.
Which candle's mine, by the way?
Well, I think they're kind of group candles since we're only making the two.
Well, can I use one in my bedroom?
Yes, absolutely. Okay, I don't know if that's like, ooh, wow, that is hot. Okay, you gotta be careful touching the metal on this. Okay. I'm trying to keep the wick in the right spot, but I'm gonna be honest, that's actually a lot harder than I thought it would be. I was like, oh, I can do this. Anybody can make a candle. I was like, okay, there's technique, I see. Isn't that funny with all art? There's always like so much more technique and muscle memory than you think there's gonna be. Okay, this says it's enough for 2, but this is actually, I think we could have made 3 small ones. Because this seems like dangerously high. There's more in here. There's more.
What?
So these have to set for a while. It says 5 hours before you burn. I'm hoping I can like move them off the stovetop before then. But
I guess you could.
this amount of wax is actually a little bit too much, I think.
Don't try to pull them out. That
Yeah.
is a bad idea.
No. So we're just gonna let them set. We're gonna see how they come out. I'm gonna show you. If you are looking for fun things to do with your kids, it doesn't have to be stuff you go out and do and pay attention for. There are fun, careful, don't put your hair. There are fun things you do like candle kits. We've done rolled beeswax where you buy the beeswax and you just roll the candles. Hey buds, let's be good. Let's just wait. And I love that. It's way easier than this. It's good for like really little kids. Like this is not something you do with a 4-year-old unsupervised. Let me say. But we have tried making little felt stuffies and things. That has been a big hit. You don't have to sew those. Those you can use glue guns with to close the felt in. Obviously nothing hardy, but it's a fun thing. And I have really been on a mission this year, hey Megan, to find fun things that we can do together. Because, I'll be honest, maybe this makes me bad mom, I don't know. Sometimes I get bored playing like a really simple game. And sometimes kids fight over like a more complicated board game. I love doing crafts with kids. That is my happy place where we are making candles, we are making stuffies, we are sprouting seeds for the garden. And I feel like every parent can kind of find their happy zone with the kiddos where you get to be fully present and engaged with them. And that's nice, it's a nice thing to do. So don't be intimidated by cost or time or knowledge entrance barrier where you're like, I have to know something. I don't know how any of this works. I'm reading directions and having fun with it. And then I'm going to do some more research on the science behind it. And the kids are going to learn right along with me. It's kind of nice to learn together. Hey, my strudel. So I'm going to see you over in the next video. I'll see you on my Patreon. And as always, I'll see you on our amazing Patreon page. Because you can't beat Primal Self-Care, Manifesting Mamas in the BFF tier, which is our very best biscuit friends tier, for all of the ridiculous, saucy, playful way that you can treat self-care as something that's fun in your life instead of a task to check off. Heck yeah. Don't forget to check out both of my books that are available right now on Amazon. You can go on order, in print, go play, go manifest. Have a good time. Life is short. Enjoy it.